MyRandaShieldsDifference.com. Today I have Jason Fremo with me with Homebridge Financial, and he's going to answer some questions and help us understand FHA loans. How are you doing today, Jay?
I'm fantastic, Miranda. How are you?
I'm doing great. So what exactly is FHA financing?
So an FHA loan is a program that's insured by the federal government, which allows borrowers to get into loan amounts with low down payments. It's a fantastic loan program for first-time home buyers, but not exclusively first-time home buyers. It's good for a lot of different people who are looking to buy.
And what are some advantages and what are some of the disadvantages to using an FHA loan when purchasing a house?
Well, there are a lot of advantages to using FHA. Like I had mentioned, you can get into a loan with a very low down payment, which helps you out. If you don't have a 20% down like a conventional loan might ask for, you can get into this one with as little as 3.5% down. The interest rates on it are absolutely fantastic. They're very low. So it's a very affordable product, and it's very easy to get into with a little down payment. Maybe the biggest disadvantage to an FHA loan would be the mortgage insurance. FHA actually charges it in two places. They have an upfront mortgage insurance premium that they charge, plus they have a monthly mortgage insurance premium that they charge. But what I tell you is if the difference is between renting a home or purchasing a home, the cost of that mortgage insurance is very insignificant to the cost of renting over the time that you're going to be needing housing, which hopefully is quite a while.
Right. And what kind of credit do you need to use for the program?
So FHA will take all different kinds of borrowers. You can get into this loan if you have absolutely fantastic credit. I've done FHA loans for borrowers with high 700, even 800 credit scores. And it'll take people who are credit challenged. I've done mortgages for people with sub 600 credit. Credit scores as low as 550 can potentially be eligible for FHA financing. So any credit profile, it's worth taking a look and exploring FHA.
Wow, that's crazy. Is there a certain number of credit cards that you need? Or I know when I was 18 and I was just starting out being an adult, I had a really hard time getting credit because I didn't have any credit. So do they need a certain amount of credit lines or anything like that?
This is another advantage of FHA, is it doesn't always require a lot of traditional trade lines. FHA will allow you to use non-traditional credit to supplement a limited credit history. So for instance, things that would not show up on your credit report, a water bill, an electricity bill, a cell phone bill, we can use those things to help develop your credit profile. So again, it's a fantastic loan program for a lot of different people. And what I'd say specifically is, talk to your lender and have them look at your credit report and see if it's something that they can make work for FHA. And if you don't have the trade lines that you feel like you need, again, it's something that can be supplemented, which is definitely a bonus.
Yeah, that is a huge plus. Are there any limits to what you can buy? Like, can you buy any kind of property type?
So FHA does have different requirements for different property types. It's always best to talk to your lender about this, but the most common example would be condos. A lot of people would like to buy condos. FHA has a process where the condo has to be approved by FHA for an FHA loan to be offered to a borrower who is trying to purchase that property. So they do have some requirements for that. On regular homes, single family homes, there are different requirements that they'd have for the condition of the property. For instance, the flooring has to be done, which is different than a conventional one. That might not have to be the case in a situation like that. So again, it's one of those things, it's a good idea to talk to your lending professional about the property that you're buying to make sure that its condition and type will meet FHA requirements.
Okay, and does this take longer than a conventional loan or other types of loans?
That is an absolute fantastic question, and the answer to that is no, it doesn't. FHA loans are very simple to process. I guess I shouldn't say simple, but they're very straightforward. They're no different for us really than processing a conventional loan. So it's something that we have the ability to execute and close on in less than 30 days, so it's a fantastic option if you're looking to get into a property quickly. You can put an FHA loan on that and get where it is that you need to be.
All right, well, thank you for that information. I hope this clears things up for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.